Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a brilliant black 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, stock number A7142. You have factory fog lights and a beautiful chrome grille up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Kenda Clever tire. And inside there is a black leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You do have seating for two in the front row. There is seating for two back in the second row. And then coming to the third row, you have seating for three back here, making this a 7-passenger Town & Country. You do have rear climate controls and a rear DVD player here. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Alright, you do have a backup camera here. And inside of the trunk is very clean. The third row seating folds into a 60-40 split. The second row seating does fold down as well. So that gives you tons of extra space when needed. You do also have a power lift gate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Town & Country today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. On the left side of the steering wheel here, you have audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. There is a push button start here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3.6-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 25 miles per gallon. Coming to the driver's side visor, you have HomeLink garage door opener buttons. There's a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You've got capabilities for Sirius satellite radio, and there is a USB port and an auxiliary port. Coming down further, you have dual climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating as well as a heated steering wheel. If you'd like to get more information on this Chrysler or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.